What's up, our YouTube family? We're back with another commercial AV project.
And we're here at Roman Empire Gym. Now come look, listen, and live with us. Stop that.
George, my man.
What's up, my brother? How you doing?
Man, I'm blessed, brother. Great to see you.
What's up, bro? Brother, you doing all right? I see you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm here with George. He is the owner of the gym. First, we want to thank y'all for having us. We appreciate your business. To the audience, tell us a little bit about the gym. Give us a rundown of the gym.
Yeah, so basically we've been in business for the past 5.5 years. We started in a very small 6,000 square foot building, and we're now here in a 27,000 square foot facility. It took a lot of work, but man, it was worth it. Literally the main target audience is just people that are like serious about lifting, powerlifters, bodybuilders, any sort of competitor that wants to take lifting to the next level. This is a facility to do it in. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about.
I hear him chat in the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, not so tough, but mans keep walking.
We literally have every piece of equipment that you can think of, for powerlifters, for bodybuilders, bars, pieces, dumbbells. We literally got everything. Our dumbbells do go all the way up to 200 pounds, and we have 247 pieces of equipment to choose from. And that's just machines. That's not including the bars. That's not including literally the plates and stuff like that. We got a lot of cool stuff in here. Let me show you all this we got.
Now, one of the biggest things about a gym is the atmosphere. Now, you probably can't get the audio experience that we can get, but part of this big ambient and everything that you hear is the JBL power speakers that we installed. We got a great work on it earlier, and it really, having a good audio system helps out with all this awesome machines. So y'all definitely got a really nice lineup.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. Equipment is very important, but atmosphere is, I think, probably the biggest thing, and a lot of that creates that atmosphere is literally the music. So I'm glad we're able to get those speakers installed in there, man, because it makes a huge difference.
What difference have you felt since the upgraded system?
Oh, big time. I mean, people don't have to wear the headphones anymore. We can actually play music with loud bass. People that actually feel the bass. I feel like that just sets the tone, for the workouts and stuff like that. That really changed the whole thing, man. So big upgrade, man. Big upgrade.
I love it.
But yeah, literally every back piece of equipment you can think of, man. Chest pieces, third section right here, the red carpet. It's 180 feet in length, 60 yards, half football field, so it's pretty large. And literally got more equipment right here as well too. We try to keep everything separated from body parts. So we got all of your upper body stuff here, plate loaded, upper body stuff here, pin selected, and right across from it, we got a few more of the stuff. It's kind of like mix and match, One of the good things about this place is that I literally hand-picked every piece of equipment, so I didn't buy just a bunch of stuff and threw it all in here. Everything has been hand-picked by me and by our members as well, because we do take their opinions in consideration, and that's pretty much what you get, and it looks awesome. We try to stick with the black and red theme for the most part, but some pieces of equipment are very hard to find, and the colors of our gym, so you'll see some mismatching pieces here and there, but everything is great. And I mean, just look at the TVs, look at the sound system, really got everything. And right over here, this is pretty much powerlifting paradise. We literally got everything for powerlifters. We got a total of 12 combo racks, 10 deadlift platforms, kilos, deadlift bars, squat bars, anything you can think of for powerlifter, we got it in here. Monolift, squat racks, we got it all. And also, we got the good atmosphere to go along with it too. Hardcore environment, we're really stay true to that. Ever since we started the gym, that's been literally the main focus, the biggest priority of ours, to make sure that we cater to those people that are serious about training. And the sound system sounds great, man. Yeah. But the cool thing about the sound system is that literally it sounds the same as you walk throughout the whole building. So it's not it's not like the sound. Yeah, it sounds pretty good, man.
And that's the biggest thing about commercial audio, is what we try to explain to all of our clients is, biggest thing is make sure that we have full audio everywhere you go. You don't want dead spots. You don't want somebody getting blasted while somebody else can't hear. So that's why we spread out the audio the way we did.
Yeah,
No,
it sounds great. And the cool thing is you can be in that corner over there and you can hear it just fine too, man. I'm upstairs in my office and I can feel the bass. I love that, man. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's good. But yeah, this is pretty much our last section right here. We got tons of leg stuff, 72 leg pieces to choose from right here. I think that's more pieces than most gyms normally have overall, and we just have that in one little corner right here. But yeah, this is probably my favorite section, the leg section. A lot of cool equipment. Did you get to see some of the
Oh
leg
yeah,
stuff?
no, we got to play with it. And
Cool.
it's crazy because we just finished the workout, but the way he just described it is like, all right, I want to go for another
You gotta
workout.
go for a round
Let's go
two,
work
man.
out again. Let me test some of those machines again.
Yeah, man. But no, the cool thing about what we're doing here, man, is that we're constantly asking people for feedback.
Yeah.
What else can we add? How can we make the place better? And one of the biggest things for like literally a year, man, was the sound. Like we want better sound, we want better audio. But the problem is I was having problems with finding a good company that can actually come in here and do it quick without us having to close down the gym or anything like that. So I was just grateful that you guys were able to work with us on that end. Yeah, no, thank you guys, I appreciate you. Lounge area, you get to see the whole gym, come up here, hang out, eat, do some work, whatever it is that you gotta do, and you get a cool view of literally the whole facility and see everything from up here. This is probably my favorite spot of the whole gym, just like this whole walkway right here, just because I'm able to literally see everything and just up here.
Now, this being a bodybuilding gym, every bodybuilding gym has, well, not every, you have a great one, a posing room. And one of the things about a posing room is if it's too quiet, it can get awkward.
Oh, 100%.
Because you're in here shirtless and you're posing and you're sweaty.
Kind of weird. Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah, you're already in a weird position, you know. Oh yeah, we added some speakers up here too, and they sound freaking great. Yeah, no, pretty good. And I like that we can pretty much playing out there in here. You know, we linked them together and all that stuff, so it sounds pretty good. I also like that we can control the volume from out there, so we can keep it, you know, kind of low down here, and we can blast it out there a little bit more. So very convenient, very convenient.
The system is app-based and is powered through a Sonos system. So that's why we have separate zones of audio. We do have the option to merge them, to separate them. Pandora, Spotify, AirPlay, all of your standard commercial audio platforms are out there. So you can link them into the system. You can create your own playlist. And once again, you can link them or separate them. So we wanted to make sure that there was a different zones of audio because you don't want it blasting it here.
Right next to it, we got a cardio room.
Check out
Trying to keep the cardio room or cardio equipment away from the actual gym floor. It's just a little different. It's more quiet. You can come in here, you know, throw on some headphones or maybe iPad and stuff like that. You can just zone in. We do need some speakers in here too. Yeah. So definitely something that we probably have to do very soon. Maybe something very similar to what we have in that room over here. Just have two of them playing, just to add a little more background. You know.
Another.
Yeah.
Oh, we got you. Another project.
Another project.
Another project for another day.
You know, you need some recovery, so that's what we got downstairs. We got a recovery lounge down here. Well, man, it took a little bit to build. I think it took us like 6 months to actually come in here and get everything, do the layout of wherever, you know, what we wanted in here, all that stuff. And it was a little costly too. We got the massage, you know, chairs, the Normatec, the infrared saunas and all that stuff. But it came out pretty good. Very happy with the place. Came out pretty good.
And then what you got over here?
And this is like the
Roman lounge.
This is the Roman lounge. It's pretty much where you can heat up your food. We do have a lot of bodybuilders, so they can come in here and put their stuff in there. You know, they can eat before or after their workout and stuff like that. We got microwaves and all that stuff. We get a sink. We are going to be adding a blender. It's one of the things people have been requesting. But besides that, I mean, everyone's going to stay like this. But yeah, the bodybuilding community is huge. So we have to have a place where they can eat, where they can store their food. And this is pretty much what that whole section is for.
The problem
The statues. Oh, 100%. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I got 2 shirts.
Hell yeah, man. Thank you.
About a shirt.
Gotta get something, whatever the latest is, I grab it.
To renovate the whole place, you know, buy the equipment we didn't have as much equipment as we do right now. I think maybe we had half of the machines we had in there when we first opened up. But, you know, it was good enough. I mean, it was a big facility, big layout, so there was a lot of space for people. Over time, you know, we've been adding more equipment and stuff like that, decreasing the amount of walk space and all that. Yeah. But I think we're a pretty good space right now where we can just leave it as it is, and it will be fine, because there's so much equipment in there.
You got all the toys you need.
So we have a little over 3,700 members right now. Yeah, the goal is to get to 4,000 by the end of the year. I don't know, that's a big number.
This is gonna happen.
That's a big number.
You too, we gotta make this happen. We have to make this happen.
Hey, we got three more months?
3 more months, that's 100 members. We can do this.
Oh yeah.
We can do this.
Yeah.
Oh man, you got 3,700 members. You got this awesome line, brother.
Oh yeah, we got the apparel, man. We actually just started this 8 months ago. The whole Roman apparel, it's another thing that we added to the gym. You come in here and like purchase stuff. You can purchase them online. I think our online store is sold out, but you can come in here and purchase all this stuff in person. But yeah, we pretty much got graphic tees, we got plain tees, we got joggers, we got crew necks, hats, literally we got everything. And we're gonna be pumping out the apparel a little bit more next year. So definitely be looking out for that because it's gonna be pretty dope. We got some cool stuff coming out, brother.
Man, we appreciate you. We appreciate y'all. An amazing tour of this amazing facility. You made us look good on camera, so we greatly appreciate it. If you're in the need of commercial, residential, all of your audio vids, we can help you. We're close this off. We appreciate you. Y'all have a great day. That's a wrap.